In this video, I'll show you how to record Google Meet video call. This video is only for educational purposes, so make sure you watch everything I'm going to show you in this video. Now, firstly, let's type in Meet. Okay, I think it's here. So this is the Meet. I'm going to wait for it to open up. So I'm going to tap on the new meeting. I'm going to create an instant meeting. I'm going to wait for it to load up. And I'll show you step by step how you can be able to record this meeting in case you are doing yours. You get? So the meeting is currently turned on. You get? So let me say you want to record this meeting. You're on a video call with someone. What you need to do, you need to come on here from this search. You need to type in sniping tool. Sniping tool. So this is it. So tap on it. So once you have opened it up, you would see this option. So tap on the new. So you can be able to record the meeting. So once you do this, tap on the start. You get? So it's gonna start recording automatically. So this is how I can basically do this. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.